This is the motorhome that has the internet buzzing. The 2026 Toyota Winnebago Warrior is not just a home on wheels, it is a rolling piece of futuristic engineering, blending Toyota's reliability with Winnebago's legendary craftsmanship. Today, you're about to see why this machine is quickly becoming one of the most talked about motorhomes of the year. If you love luxurious campers, off-grid adventure rigs, and next-level innovation, stay locked in because this one is going to impress you. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Let's dive straight into what makes the new Toyota Winnebago Warrior a true powerhouse for travelers, explorers, and digital nomads. The moment you walk around this rig, the exterior tells you everything. The design language is sharp, modern, and built for real-world adventure. Toyota reinforced the chassis with a lightweight steel-aluminum hybrid frame, giving it both rigidity and flexibility on rough terrain. The front fascia features a bold aerodynamic nose, twin-beam projector LEDs, and a wide command grille that gives it a premium road presence. Step inside and you immediately understand why people are calling this the best interior Winnebago has done in years. The 2026 Warrior offers a full luxury microsuite experience. The living area opens with a wide body layout, soft ambient lighting, and multi-texture materials that make the space feel modern and warm. The lounge seating converts into a dual-mode work and relax station, perfect for remote workers or long-term travelers. The kitchen is compact yet highly capable with a dual induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and multi-layer storage hidden behind smooth sliding panels. The bedroom space features an expandable memory foam bed, privacy shutters, climate-zoned AC, and overhead smart cabinets that adjust lighting automatically depending on time of day. Across from that, the bathroom brings a full standing shower, skylight, premium fixtures, and water-saving tech that extends off-grid time without compromising comfort. Every inch feels thought through, polished, and surprisingly spacious. Under the hood, the new Toyota hybrid power unit takes center stage. Packing a refined 3.5L hybrid V6 paired with an electric torque booster, the Warrior delivers impressive pulling power even when fully loaded. The drivetrain has been optimized for smooth acceleration, stabilized highway cruising, and fuel-efficient long-distance travel. Add in the smart terrain modes, including gravel, mud, climb, and eco-touring, and this motorhome can handle everything from city traffic to remote desert tracks. Toyota's suspension tuning provides a balanced ride, firm enough for control, soft enough for comfort. When it comes to price, Toyota and Winnebago have positioned the Warrior as a premium mid-range motorhome. It's not a budget option, but it's built for buyers who want long-lasting reliability, modern technology, and a home-grade interior without jumping into ultra-luxury pricing. With the features packed inside, many buyers see it as one of the best value rigs of 2026. Safety is another area where Toyota goes all in. The Warrior comes equipped with adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, pedestrian radar, trailer stability control, multi-angle cameras, blind spot monitoring, and Toyota's newest AI-assisted collision alert system. Whether you're navigating narrow mountain curves or backing into a tight campground slot, this thing feels predictable, secure, and incredibly easy to manage for its size. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Toyota Winnebago Warrior Motorhome is a fusion of modern design, hybrid efficiency, intelligent space management, and road trip luxury.